right, so here is some review for that radical review that we have up on Canvas. So the first part is simplifying a radical. Now when we're simplifying a radical, we are just breaking it down into our factor tree. So for 75, I know that's 3 times 25. 3 can't be broken down, but 25 can be 5 times 5. These are all multiplication facts, okay? Now when we are simplifying, you want twins, only pairs of 2, to go outside. Losers who have no friends stay inside and get multiplied. So here my 5 goes to the outside, and my 3 is lonely and stays inside. Over here at 60, same thing. I'm going to break down my number first. So that's 6 and 10. That's 3 and 2. 2 and 5. Oh look, I have a pair of 2s. 2s go outside. 3 and 5 are going to get multiplied and stay inside. So I'm going to put my 2 out here and leave a little space. 3 times 5 is 15, so that stays inside. Now let's look at y to the 4th. Y to the 4th is 1, 2, 3, 4 y's being multiplied. So I have 1, 2 pairs. So it's going to be y squared that goes outside. Basically what you're going to do for when you have a variable on the inside, so say I have the square root of b to the 11th. If it's not an even number, you're going to subtract 1, so that's b to the 10th. Then you're going to divide that exponent by 2. That gives us b to the 5th. b to the 5th is what will go outside. And because, I wrote that backwards there. And because I had to subtract that 1 gets to stay inside. Okay, so that's our variables and simplifying. Let's see how we can rationalize. Okay, so someone decided that we cannot have a radical on the bottom. So because we can't have a radical on the bottom, we have to do what we call rationalizing. So that means we have to make sure that our radical goes up to the top. So we're going to multiply our top and bottom, or our numerator and denominator, by that radical. So on the top I have 3 square root of 6. Square root of 6 times the square root of 6 is the square root of 36, which we all know is 6. One more thing you want to look for is, can you reduce your fraction? Here I have 3 over 6, so that's just 1/2. I'm going to leave the 1 off from the top, but I have to bring that 2 over here. Here we're talking adding and subtracting. Okay, when I'm adding or subtracting radicals, think of your radical like a variable. If they are not the same radical, we cannot add or subtract them. Here, square root of 6 is the same, so I just add or subtract the numbers on the outside. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Square root of 6 stays the same. Here we are multiplying. When we are multiplying, we're going to multiply the numbers inside and put them under 1 square root. Here, that is the square root of 60. Now I'm going to simplify. This is again, just like what we did up there. I'm going to do a little bit different here. This I'm going to do 3 times 20, just to show you that it doesn't matter how you break them down, you're still going to get the same answer. 20 is 4 times 5, which is 2 and 2. Here's my pair of 2's. That's going to go on the outside. 3 and 5 are going to stay multiplied inside. Still got the same answer that we did up there, just broke it down differently. Here is 6. Again, I'm going to multiply. Anything that is outside stays outside. So 2 times 1 is 2. Now I'm going to break down 35 and 15. So I've got 35 times 15. 35 is 7 times 5. Those are both primes, so that's done. 15 is 3 times 5. So I have a pair of 5s that are going outside. 7 times 3 gets multiplied and goes inside. Now you notice I brought that 5 outside, and it's just kind of sitting out there with the 2. Got to multiply those as well, so 2 times 5 is 10, square root of 21. All right, that should be everything that is on that review. If there's anything that I missed, please let me know, and I can help you out.